Good morning, students. Today's I will explain Standard 10, Subject Computer Studies, Chapter number 3, Handling Image in HTML, Part 1. Image and its various formats. Generally, picture or image attract a majority of people and convey an important message to them. There are various formats of images which are described as below: image file format and then descriptions. First, BMP, that means bitmap. Bitmap graphic file for Windows and operating system too. The software is Paintbrush and the file format is a .bmp. Second is a GIF, graphic interchange format, the full form of GIF, graphic interchange file. Next is a JPEG. JPEG means Joint Photographic Expert Group, and the description is Joint Photographic Expert Group file. Next is a JPG, Joint Photographic Group, and the description is a JPG या JIFF image file. Next is a PNG. PNG, that means Portable Network Graphics. Description: Portable Network Graphics bitmap graphics file. And the last is a TIFF, that means Tag Image File Format. The description is Tag Image File Format bitmap file. Generally, digital cameras and web pages use JPG या JPEG file, as this format directly compress the data in the files, and the TIFF file format offer highest quality and good amount of compression of the image with minimum loss, and they are used commercially. Other file formats such as GIF and PNG also use the lossless compression technology, whereas PNG format is comparatively slow in reading and writings. That is a format of a image file format: .bmp, .gif, .jpg, .jpg, .png, and .tiff. Next topic, adding image in HTML file. Images are added to a web page using the img tag in HTML. While using the image tag, one need to provide source of image with some attributes, and that is why the image tag is known as empty tag. That means img tag is a empty tag. The image tag with the image content and attributes does not cause a line break, and hence it is also known as a inline element. That means image tag is also a inline elements. And the next, various attributes of img tag. First, src attributes. The src attribute provides information about the location of the image. The image must be available on your computer or a server. Second, there are two ways to get URL of the file available on the internet. First, right click on the image and copy the image link. And second, right click on the image and save the image with other name into your computer's hard disk, and then use the path. Third number, if you have used URL available on internet, check that internet connection is working. Fourth, create a separate folder or a directory to store a image. That is a src attributes. And how to use a src attribute, and that example, following two screenshots represent the HTML coding of src attribute and its output in the web browsers. First, the various image files such as a chocolate.jpg, fruit.jpg, ice cream.jpg, etc. mentioned in the above HTML coding are copied from internet and renamed with the rename options. And second, the HTML coding file and image file are stored in one folder or a directory. That is an example of how to use a image in HTML. First is a HTML head, title and slash title, slash head over, and then comments. Next, body h1, my favorite food, and slash h1. Comment, and then h1 u chocolates, and slash u and slash h1. Paragraph p, image src equals to chocolate.png. That means the use of image file is a chocolate and the extension is a png format. And h1, and the paragraph is chocolates are good for health and better for hunger and best for mood. Do not forget to clean your teeth until it is too late. Slash h1 over slash p over, and then continue the second comment, and h1 u for underline, fruits and dry fruits, slash u over slash h1 over, and then paragraph, image src equals to fruits dot jpg. h1, that means a paragraph. Do not think dry fruits are dry, though they are dried fruit. There are really very interesting, and slash h1 over, and the comment h1 u ice cream, and slash u over slash h1 over, paragraph, image src equals to ice cream and extension is a dot jpg. h1, ice cream are really cool. This become coolest when you taste them. Slash h1 over slash paragraph over, and then comment, and then slash body over, and then slash html, and save your file with the file name and then dot html extensions. Okay friends, and the output is a html document. First is my favorite food, that means a heading tag h1 and slash h1, and after that chocolates, and then images, and then paragraph, second fruits and dry fruits, and then underline, and second image is a fruits and dry fruits, and then after a paragraph, and last is a ice cream, and then picture, and then ice cream contents. This is a out of a HTML. Okay, next is a various attribute of image tag, and then second alter attribute. First attribute is a src attribute. That means how to use a image in src attribute. And the next is a alter attribute. The alter attribute along with an image tag describe the source image. It is advisable to find the ALT attribute for the following three reasons. First is it is describe the image. Second, due to some reasons, if the browser does not display the image, the reader will come to know about the type of a pictures. Third, when the web page is read by the software such as a screen reader, a special software designed for visually challenged people, and search engine, the interpretation of the image becomes easy. And the example is a image src equals to chocolate.jpg alter. Here come the sweet images. That means uh, some browsers not display images, so the text is available. That means a alter attributes use. Here comes the sweet images. Next is a third attribute is a height and width attributes. Suppose we have inserted images, is a large images, but you have also height and width attribute to use the images, and then use a image attributes. The height and width attribute, the height attribute of image tag specify how tall the image should appear on the page, while the width attribute indicates the browser how wide the image should appear on the page. Value of both width and height attribute can be specified using the number of pixels. By providing information about the height and width of an image of the browser, presenting and loading of the image in a browser become a smooth and efficient. And the example is img image src equals to chocolate.jpg alter. Here come the sweet images, height equals to 120 and width equals to 120. That means the images is a chocolate.jpg, and the some browsers does not preview the images, not support the images, so that is a text here. Here comes the sweet images, and the image is display, the height is 120 and width equals to 120. That is a attribute of a height and width attribute. Okay students, today class is over. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.